Hey, if you'd like to learn how to make your own custom branded GIF to stand out online, you are in the right place. In today's video, I am going to show you exactly what you need to do in order to create your own custom GIF. And let me tell you, it's free and it's easy. So after I show you how easy it is to make your own custom branded GIF, I want to talk to you about why you would even do this in the first place and then where you would use them. So stick around. All right, so to create a GIF, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is come to Giphy.com. Giphy.com should look very familiar to you. You've seen GIFs from this site all over social media, all over the internet. This is where the magic happens. So the first thing you need to do is you're gonna have to log in. You're gonna have to create your own little account just so that you can create GIFs. All right, so after you've logged in, go straight to create. You could upload, and upload has the same options as create. The only difference is that upload doesn't give you the options to have a lot of fun and decorate like create does. So let's go to create because I like to have fun. All right, so when you come here, this is where you create your GIFs. And so you can use photos or previous GIFs that you've made already or that you have. You can drop them here. You can create GIFs out of videos on your computer. There is a time limit, so it doesn't take huge videos. For today's video, I'm just gonna pick a little video that I had already created. It's 8 seconds long, super small, super short, really easy to upload into Giphy. So for now, I'm gonna upload my video. All right, so once I upload the video, it takes me to the screen where I can adjust the duration. I can make it all the way up to 8 seconds long. I can adjust when the video actually starts. And for today's video, I'm just gonna start it a little bit later just because I want, within the 4 seconds of my little GIF, I want to be able to see number 1 and number 2 both equally. And so I feel good about this. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to decorate. Now this screen is really where the magic happens. It's so much fun. You can do so much in this little area. So you can write your caption here. I would not, on this GIF in real life, add any more text because it's already got like a lot of text. It's pretty busy. But if it's just a picture of me and me just talking, sure, I'll go ahead and put captions on it. Captions are really fun to highlight what you're saying in the GIF or what's going on or what kind of message you want to send to the viewers. So it's really fun. All right, and so your captions, you can change the color. You know, you can really just play around, make it as fun as you want it to be. But there's just so much that you can do, and there are lots of different options. So you can just come around and play with it. Of course, there's stickers, so you can add stickers and just have a whole lot of fun with adding in stickers, you know, really just adding some interest. There's the filters, so there's all sorts of different filters you can play around with too, and just see which filters may or may not fit whatever GIF you're trying to create. So here you are on draw, and this is really cool because you essentially choose one, and then I'm gonna click on ha 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 right here. And so I click on it, and now it's on my actual mouse. And so I can come and just drag ha 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 all over my GIF if I wanted to. And if you ever don't like what you put in there to draw, you can just do the undo button and work your magic. So now you continue to upload. All right, so here's the upload screen. And remember how I mentioned that you can have URLs from YouTube, Vimeo, anywhere that you might have a video online. You could put the source URL here if you haven't already uploaded from a different source. So for example, I uploaded a video from my computer. I could put a source URL to like my blog post that I would be making this for, or I could put the source URL to the YouTube video that I am creating, right? So if I was doing this after I published this video, I could use the video that we're on right now, the URL for this video. I could put it right here, and I could put tags for GIF and Giphy, how to make a GIF, how to create your own GIF, whatever. And so it could potentially be discovered. So if somebody were to come across your GIF on Giphy, they would be able to see your source URL. And if they so chose to, they could follow the source URL and view the video or whatever it is that your source URL is. So if it was your website, they could click on the source URL and go to your website. And I can show you exactly how that works, okay? And you can also add tags if you wanted to just highlight what the GIF is about. Another source to potentially get discovered by, although I would not count on it, but it's possible. Okay, because I was doing just a little tutorial for you, I actually made it private so it wouldn't get uploaded publicly. So you can do that. You can make your GIF private or public, so it's really up to you. But I want you to notice right here the source URL. So you see, you can click on my website link and it'll take you to the website. So that is how you quickly and easily make your own custom branded GIF. See, that was super easy. And now you can go out starting today and create your own custom branded GIFs to be able to stand out online. Now, like I said in the beginning, I want to talk about why we would even do this. Why use custom branded GIFs? Look, the reality is that there is so much data online. You know it. I know it. Everyone knows it. There's just so much to consume online. So anything that we can do to stand out really does help. It's just an element that is not necessary, right? This is totally optional. You do not have to create GIFs, but it's fun and it's different. Another thing to consider with GIFs and why use it is we really want to incorporate infotainment into our content. Look, you like to laugh, you like to be entertained. We all do. It's human nature. And so creating GIFs is just a fun, visually interesting thing to incorporate into all of your online marketing. When we can think about small little ways to incorporate infotainment into our content, it just helps to make us more likable, more relatable to the people that we want to connect with. And another reason why that's important is because we want people to be interested in us. We want to be seen. If you ever feel like you're unseen online, this is a great way to just stand out and be seen, be noticed. Creating GIFs will help people take pause and be like, I've never seen a GIF like this. So it really is to your advantage and the advantage of your business and of your brand to create your own little custom GIFs. All right, so I've showed you how easy it is to make your own custom branded GIF. And we talked about why you would even want to do this. Now, let's talk about where you would actually put these GIFs. So as you saw in my example, I created a really simple GIF that I can put on landing pages from here on out. And so it's a great asset for me to be able to just rinse and repeat in future landing pages. So another great way for you to use GIFs is in your email. Whenever you email people, you're generally, not always, but generally you're trying to push traffic somewhere. You want to show your readers something that you just created or produced, or you might be promoting for another individual. Using a GIF in your email is a great way to pique curiosity. And depending on how creative you get with your GIF, it really can attract interest in whatever it is that you're trying to funnel traffic to. So you can put a GIF into your email, you put it as an image file, and then you can link that image just like anything else into whatever external site that you're trying to funnel people into. It's really catchy, very engaging, very interesting, and not really done that often. Some of my favorite marketers use GIFs in their emails. So again, brands like Evercoach or Mind Valley, they are using GIFs in their emails. And I love it. It really makes it interesting for me to check out, see what they're doing. And I always find myself clicking on those GIFs to see what it leads to. So don't be afraid to use GIFs in your emails. It's a great way to pique curiosity and get that traffic to the external site that you're trying to get traffic to. And one of my favorite ways to use GIFs is in your blog posts and articles that you're creating online. So take, for example, this video. I'm currently shooting this video. I'm going to edit it. I'm going to upload it to YouTube. After I upload it to YouTube, I want to syndicate it out to the different platforms so that people on multiple platforms can know that this video exists and that it's being put out there. So one of the things that I can do is in my articles, I can take GIFs from this video and I can put it into my blog post that then is going to be read by people on different platforms. Some people prefer to read over watching videos, so it's really handy to create engaging content even with a blog post. I like the GIF in a blog post or an article because it breaks up the text that you're reading. You don't want a whole lot of text. We really need things that are highly readable, scannable, something that breaks up the monotony of all the letters on the screen. So if you can create a really well-crafted article that has a mixture of static pictures no movement, using some GIFs that have movement, and then maybe even throwing your video link into your blog post if you're creating a blog post out of your video. It's a great way to make the reading experience more enjoyable, and of course, it's making you stand out. How often do you read a blog post that's got GIFs in it? I personally love incorporating GIFs into my blog posts because it really just breaks up the monotony of it and makes it interesting to read through. Using GIFs in your articles and your blog posts and whatever you're syndicating online, it's just another way to stand out and make yourself be seen in ways that are really unique in the marketplace. One last way that you could use a GIF that's kind of interesting and would really make readers take pause is if you create your own GIFs that you use on social media. Think about all the social threads that you read that have just GIFs of different pop culture icons or famous singers or TV shows or whatever, that are very pop culture related. What if your GIF was in the mix of all of these other GIFs that are just people are pulling from Giphy and they're not creating their own? Then you have your own branded GIF that gets thrown into the mix. That will cause people to take pause and be like, who is this person? How did they do that? What are they about? What's going on? It will cause all sorts of questions about you. So I definitely encourage you to try doing that. Try throwing in your GIFs into social threads and just see what happens. See what kind of responses you get. Now, have you ever thought about using GIFs in your own marketing material? Is this like a new concept completely? Let me know in the comments below if you've ever thought about it or if you've wondered how you could use it and now you've had some aha moments on how easy it is to actually make. And if you got value from this video and you haven't done so yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button and that notification bell so that you're notified every time a new video is released. My goal is to help coaches make better videos. I want to help you stand out online so that you can attract those prospects that are perfect for you and your practice to come to you and be interested in what you're doing. These are small, simple, easy, totally actionable steps that you can take to be able to just stand out. Make sure you're using custom GIFs in your marketing, okay? It's really compelling, really awesome, very fun, engaging, easy, and free. No excuse not to. Now go out, make your own custom GIFs, and I will see you in the next one.